how to send messages on Cici. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily message it. First of all, open the application. So this interface will pop up. So this is the AI bot. Here on the bottom, you can see this message box. Simply tap on this message box. Now you can ask any question that you want. So here I'm asking a question. So after you do this, this will automatically reply your answer. Here you can even have different conversation and have different queries that you like. Here you can even add different images or files according to what you want or what you need the AI to do. At last, you'll get your answer and it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.